someone watch me there?
Yes, they're looking at you because you're pogi.
Pogi?
Yes.
Napakahalaga ng communication sa Panginoon ng mga nagmamahalan. Lagi kayo magdarasal ng sabay.
Ano? Kausapin mo daw kami. Ay, kausapin ko sa'yo.
Love, 5 taon na tayo magkasama. Sorry.
Si Toby at Kath ay patutunayan nila yung kanilang pagmamahalan sa isa't isa. They chose to walk the extra mile. Ganyan ang nagmamahalan. Ang ibibigay mo ay lahat-lahat. Patutunayan mo sa minamahal mo na hindi lang hanggang ganito ang kaya mong ibigay. Ibibigay mo hanggang kaya mo. Ganyan ang nagmamahal.
Ito lang tayo rakanaton. Libro na kabesa.
And you play it cold, but it's kinda cute. Oh, when you smile at me, you know exactly what you do. Baby, don't pretend that you don't know it's true. Cause you can see it when I look at you. And in this crazy life.
Love, thank you for Nikolai. Thank you for the gift that we gave each other for the past 5 years. And every year, I love you more and more.
After 5 years, ito na, happy anniversary, 5th wedding anniversary natin. Ngayon, finally, mag-church na tayo.
Kaya tulungan nyo ang isa't isa. Papasok kayo sa bagong stage ng buhay nyo. Habang pumapasok kayo sa bagong stage, you will realize na ang pagmamahal ay hindi isang bed of roses. Mawawala ang pagmamahalan kapag hindi aalagaan. Kaya alagaan nyo yan. Kayo ang mag-aalaga.
And I can't believe that I'm your man. And I get to kiss you, baby, just because I can. Whatever comes our way, I will see it through. And you know that's what all love can do. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you. You make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything.
I promise then to love you more each day, and I promise to be faithful, to be a loyal and faithful wife to you, and maging mabuting ina kay Nikolai, and sana in the future kung madadagdagan pa.
La, 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 la. So la, 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 la. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you. You make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything, your every song.
Nagmamahalan, tapat, may commitment, dedicated, kahit pa anong mangyari. Hindi ito pangako, ito ay commitment. And we assure you that we will continue to pray for you together.
So la 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 la. So la 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 la.